Nice house.
Look at that. Oh,
The whole back's missing.
it is. Oh, it's just like a fake house.
It's just like a movie set that just like leave. I like how there's do not enter, do not block the door. Oh, there's a house in the back.
Okay.
From one town to the other, baby. Here we go. Haven't biked in a long time. Biking the running path, because it's also a bike path. And yeah, always wear your helmet. Mine just looks like a baseball cap. It's pretty legit. I'm sure it's like less protected, obviously, but whatever. Yeah. Should be about 20 miles, 10 miles there, 10 miles back. So that'll be fun. Let's get it done. Leaving the Borden district. Obviously it goes farther, but it appears this is where I stop. Holy smokes, that's quite dangerous. No wonder they have it blocked off. You could fall down there. Wait, what? Yeah, that makes sense. That'll be cool when those are finished. I'm digging these shorts, boys. They might be the, and ladies. I'm digging these shorts. Check out those honeysuckles. These are the new boys. They'll be replacing the old lineup. All these like charcoal gray. It's the darkest color they had. I wanted black, but haters can't be choosers. So that's pretty much it. Isn't that sick? The plains of Indiana. It's kind of a cool shot. I like it. I'm so hungry right now. I could eat a whole host of horses right now. A whole team. Nah, but I am kind of hungry. I'm kind of excited for dinner. But we still have the gym in front of that, and we still have this in front of that, and we're still only on 17 miles, which means we have about 3 miles left. But the wind's at my back, so I'm kind of moving a lot quicker than before. Before I was just kind of putting along, and that kind of stunk because we were running into the wind. But now we're just like, you know, barely pedaling and going 13.1 miles an hour. But that's kind of nice. I would go faster if my butt wasn't so numb right now. Holy smokes. I got the old butt cheeks back. Before when I was biking like every day, I was pretty tough to it and I could bike a long time, but no, I'm definitely sore right now. But what you gonna do? Look at this. This is nice. Very enjoyable to look at. Indiana springtime. Putting along on my bike. Just outran Prison Mike. I don't even know what the flip I don't even know what I'm talking.